The HVLP air spray gun kit is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering precision with its 1.3mm and 1.7mm nozzles. It provides excellent versatility with its gravity feed system, allowing for efficient paint application on a variety of surfaces such as cars and furniture. The kit includes 2 cups with capacities of 400 milliliters and 600 milliliters, catering to different project sizes and ensuring flexibility in paint jobs. Maintenance is made easy with the included service tool, which simplifies disassembly and cleaning, thus prolonging the spray gun's lifespan and performance. An ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, with its lightweight build and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue in long painting sessions. The spray gun's specifications, including a working pressure of 25 to 35 pounds per square inch, and an air consumption of 1.7 to 3.7 cubic feet per minute, make it a reliable tool for various painting needs.